Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the exciting and in-demand video of Oracle Fusion roles. Mainly, Oracle Fusion uses a role-based access control model. This means users are granted access based on roles assigned to them. There are mainly four types of roles: duty roles, job roles, abstract roles, data roles, custom roles. Now, we'll see about duty roles. These are also known as application roles. These are the granular duties performed by the individuals. Examples are invoice creation, invoice approval duty, GL general entry duty, GL general approval duty, GL general posting, etc. It is like saying to a new staff that you can perform some XYZ duties within your job, or it is your duty to perform XY things in your organization. The name of this role has the suffix underscore duty. The duty role provides the access to screens, reports, and dashboards via privileges and provide access to data behind the screens using security policy. Now we are jumping onto job roles. These are also known as enterprise roles. These roles grant and get mapped to one or more duty roles because a person that takes a job in a company, they are meant to perform several duties. For example, a HR recruiter job will have a duty to scan resumes submitted and place an offer to the individual. The name of this role has the suffix underscore job. Some examples are account payable manager job, general ledger accounting manager job, etc. Job roles are also referred to as external roles. Now we'll jump on to abstract roles. These are also known as enterprise roles. These roles are associated with a user irrespective of the job they perform within an enterprise. Therefore, abstract roles are at a higher level spanning various jobs, and hence their name called abstract. Examples are employee role, temporary staff role, etc. An organization might decide to automatically assign an explanatory duty role to all the employees, and likewise may decide to auto provision timesheet entry duty role to all the contract workers. Job roles can inherit abstract roles. For example, a human resource administrator job role can inherit the employee abstract role because it is likely that an HR administrator will be an employee of the company and thus should automatically have access to entering timesheets and claiming expenses. Similar to the job roles, the abstract roles are also referred to external roles. Now, we'll jump on to data roles. Oracle Fusion applications data roles define the specific data that users can access and manipulate based on their job roles. They are an extension of job roles, providing a granular level of control over data access within the application. Essentially, a data role combines a user job role with the specific data that are authorized to work with. Now, we'll jump on to custom roles. Custom roles are defined based on the client requirement. These roles that allow organization to tailor user access and permissions to their specific needs, going beyond the standard predefined rules provided by Oracle. These rules are created by copying and modifying existing seeded rules from scratch, granting specific and limited privileges and rights, access rights. So that's a quick review and overview What are all the roles in Oracle Fusion? If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Fusion content, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you.